Hey everybody! Hi guys! How's everybody doing? You can tell me in your comments how you all are doing. Hey, what's up? So it's Friday night once again, and before I know it, another week has passed. Okay, I'm Sukhmani, and of course, you guys know that because you're following me and watching this show. So I started this show about 8 weeks back because of the lockdown, but the response has been great. So we've been keeping the show going thanks to all you lovely people who watch my show. Well, my show is Sukhmani in Bed, where I invite people in bed. My father hates me for that. He hates the name of the show. But that's what it is, where I get some friends of mine basically to come and join me on a Friday night and have some fun with me. So इस शो का पूरा ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि एज अ राइटर मैं मंडे से लेकर थर्सडे तक इतना पक जाती हूँ लिख लिख के दैट आई गो क्रेजी. सो आई फील लाइक कि हर फ्राइडे को आई ऑल्सो डिजर्व अ ब्रेक, राइट? तो मुंबई में मैं क्या करती थी व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू हैव my usual Friday nights, I used to meet my friends, go out partying with them, play some board games with them. तो मैंने सोचा कि you know what, दुनिया में इतनी डिप्रेशन चल रही है, people are so sad about what's going on. तो why not start a show that brings up the spirits of the people, makes them laugh, makes them smile, and we share some happiness with you guys. So that's the whole point of my show. ये मेरा 8th week है और we had अपूर्वा अरोरा, पारुल गुलाटी, वेदिका कुमारी, शनाली शेगल, Manisha Lamba, we had Mansi Scott, we've had Karishma Sharma, all these people, and I am very grateful to them for joining. But today I'm celebrating my special 8th weekend with a very dear friend of mine whose name is Sonal Chauhan. आप सब सोनल चौहान को जानते हैं. She's a very famous actress. She acted in Jannat and all boys love her. और the moment she's going to come on the show, क्या होने वाला है कि मुझे कोई देखने नहीं वाला है, सब सोनल को देखने वाले हैं. But that's okay, I'm kind of ready for that. So in another 2-3 minutes, I'm going to call Sonal Chauhan on this show. She's going to join us live, and I promise you, you all are going to have lots of fun, and it's going to be quite an eventful evening because Friday nights is supposed to be fun, right? That's the whole point. जो viewers यहाँ पर है, hi everybody who's watching, मैं आपको कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ. Basically, please do stick around because at the end of the show, I'm doing a quiz and a round of questions with my audience, जहाँ की मैं आपको बड़ा सा एक exciting prize देना चाहती हूँ. So because the show is called Sukhmani in Bed, tonight I'm giving out gifts to you guys from a brand called Sweet Dreams India, where I'm going to give out 4 gifts in the end, 4 vouchers where you can buy cute night suits for yourself so you're comfortable. Well, let's see who wins that, and उसका भी एक secret है, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती अभी कि वो क्या question पूछ वाली हूँ. Hi Jessie, hi Bhavna, hi everyone who's watching. Thanks guys for here. Thank you Kanika. By the way, I want to tell you guys, मेरे previous show में मेरी lighting इतनी गंदी थी कि today Kanika has been sweet enough, who's a very good makeup artist in Amritsar, and she has sent me this light. I wish I could show it to you so that I look a little brighter because मेरे सामने जो मेरी actresses आती हैं वो इतनी सुंदर होती हैं कि मैं फीकी लगती हूँ. तो thanks Kanika for that. Hi everybody. Hi Bhushan. Jannat Queen is coming soon. Give me 1 minute and Jannat Queen is coming soon. Also, I want to tell you that next week onwards, I have some really exciting gifts to give out. I wish I could reveal it to you guys right now, but I have some, apart from Sweet Dreams, I also have some other exciting gifts to give out to you guys. So watch out for next Friday also. What happened to my hair? My friend is asking. So what happened was, basically every time before going live on this show, मैं अपने बाल को like straighten and stuff like that. So like yesterday, I just wet my hair. And I slept like that and I've woken up like this, so please don't judge me. Everybody, thank you so much. Sukhmani in Bed, wrong, I know it should not be. थोड़ा नाम अजीब है मेरे शो का, but ठीक है, ऐसा ही है. So अभी 2 मिनट में I'm going to call Sonal Chauhan on this show, and what I want you guys to do, how I need your help is that basically I'm going to play Truth and Dare with her. Sukhu looked the best in short. मैंने नीचे shorts ही पहनी है, don't worry, the blanket will come off very soon. Hi Geetu. So what I need your help on is basically जब सोनल और मैं ये गेम खेलने वाले हैं तो थोड़ी dares तो मैंने उसके लिए लिख ली हैं, but basically I need you guys to tell me, we're gonna play Pictionary, so I need you guys to tell me what to tell her to draw, okay? She's coming here very soon. I love how all my friends are here. It's amazing. I love you guys for always supporting. It means a lot to me. So Pictionaries के लिए अपनी game ready रखिएगा, थोड़े words ready रखिएगा, and I'm going to play dumb charades with her. So I need you to tell me what all to act for her, and this is going to be fun. All right, let's get Sonal Chauhan on the show now. Are you all ready? Meanwhile, I quickly just want to tell you that I hope that you guys are being positive and dealing with the lockdown, because I know it's getting kind of irritating and boring for everybody now. But such is life, guys. Keep your spirits up. And Maz, hi. Hi, Nas. Hi, everybody. Okay, I can see a lot of people excited and waiting for our Jannat Queen to come here. So let's get her now. All right. Give me a moment, guys, because मैं अभी तक ये बहुत अच्छे से I've sent her Pictionary. Somebody's asked me, Pictionary means really you've not played Pictionary before? Pictionary is when you draw something and the other person guesses what it is. All right, guys, Sonal Chauhan is coming here any minute. I've sent her. Hi, Hottie. Hardly a Hottie today with my hair, but yeah. All right. Yeah, she's very, very famous for Jannat. So I'll tell you one more thing about Sonal and me. Sonal and I were not in the same college, but she used to come to my college all the time and hang out with us. I was in a college, but I can't tell you because there's a reason why, because there's a quiz related to that that's coming soon. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm waiting for her to come. हम भी सीख रहे हैं यार. सोनल और मैं दोनों काफी बुरे हैं इसके साथ में actually, but हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Okay. Here she is, guys. I'm gonna plug her in now. Waiting for Sonal to join. Pictionary means basically hello. What's up?
You've taken long to get me on. I've been like listening to you, and I'm like, all the excitement is happening without me. I can see Stuti.
I could see you. You know, it's all so new, man. It's all so new. What's up?
What's up? How are you? You're glowing.
Dude, Sonal, don't even ask. Till last week, my lighting was so bad, and I was crying to all my friends, and I was like, because I'm in Amritsar, right? So it's not like I have any makeup, any clothes, or any great lighting. So I have done full jhol today. Bhade ke kapde. And these are those hair when you make your plaits and you just like.
Oh wow, that looks really nice. Very nice.
I know
that artist has helped you.
Yeah, you look gorgeous yourself. How's life? What's going on?
Good. I think just like everyone, locked up in Bombay. You're definitely, I think, in a much more beautiful place, as I can see on your Instagram. It looks stunning. Posted today.
I won't deny it. Yeah, it's so pretty here. Amazing. Like there's so much space, there's so much greenery, and you know how the food is in Amritsar anyway. So it's very, very beautiful. Thankfully. Well, anyway, thank you for joining me in bed. I hated to say that because my parents were like, "Koi aur naam nahi mila show ke liye."
I think it was really nice. You know, like I'm actually in my bed. I'm like, okay, you know, this is like a very different kind of a life that I'm doing because I'm in my bed and I love being in bed. So I think it was like fantastic when you told me. Then I said, yeah, 100% we have to do it.
Yeah, just be in your night suit.
Bed.
Huh?
I expected you to be in your bed. Oh, you are.
I'm in my bed and I'm in a blanket, so I'm feeling hot now. So I should get rid of that because it's 44 degrees here.
I know. So, weather is
So a lot of our friends are here. So only want to say hi to everybody. Everyone's waiting out.
Hi. I'm reading all the messages while Sukhmani was talking to all of you. So hi Stuti. Let's see who wins. Well, I'm really looking forward to who gets it right.
All right. So quickly telling you guys here, we will come to my second segment where I'm going to play games with you. But quickly, I want to ask you, man, like you're looking so pretty, your skin, your hair, everybody adores that about you. And Sonal, one thing that we have in common, I think, is that I've seen you are very fond of yoga, you're very fond of meditation, and you're very spiritual as a person. I see you celebrate Sikhism, Islam, Hinduism, Christianity. It's beautiful what you do. So you want to tell me, like, how do you keep yourself afloat like that?
Well, I think I do keep myself afloat purely with, of course, I think yoga is not what happens on the mat. It's also like just keeping yourself calm and you know, it's taken. I mean, I used to be very different like years back, but I feel that with time I've calmed down, and I think for me religion. So I don't believe in religion. I in fact dislike the term religion because I think that religion is something that divides. But I do believe in that one power, and that power can be, it's very personal. It can be anything for anyone. I could call it Shiva, which I've just, you could
Yeah.
call it, so everyone can call it whatever, but it just, gives us that, it's like a driving force. It keeps us disciplined, and it just, keeps us
Somehow.
positive, very positive. Yeah. So, I mean, I love it. And I mean, it's just not something that I really force upon myself or anyone, but I generally enjoy just being peaceful. That's it.
Good. You know what I do, right? It's a very recent development, but I
Mhm.
used to also pray earlier to a certain god. But
Right.
now I've started praying to the universe, and I think it really works. Like this, I
That's
believe a lot
beautiful.
of manifestation. It's just out there, you know.
I guess that's
Yes, I have gorgeous hair, but I don't have. So what do I do?
you do have beautiful hair. I was looking at it when you were talking to everyone. I'm like, my God, see, you're from Punjab, Sardarni. How can you not have good hair? You're like beautiful.
Makhan, this is all ghee and makhan. Baby, it
Oh,
only doesn't come here. It comes everywhere else. Also, believe me, it's not it.
how's that going? I want to know. I think a lot of girls would want to know that.
Oh my God. So, like, I've banned myself from few things. No cheese, no butter, no makhan, no ghee. Because if I start, and mithai, because if I start consuming all those things in Amritsar, by the time I come back, you're not going to recognize me. You see me on a Friday night and you'll just ignore me, and that's what's going to
No,
happen. So,
I have a story to tell about. I was shooting for this film in Amritsar, and we were supposed to be there for a month. Okay, and this is about 6 years back, I think. And I went there, and one like my food used to come from the hotel because I was trying to eat all diet food, not
right.
diet food.
Healthier
So
food.
yeah, so one day my food got delayed, so I told my assistant to bring me the food at the set. I ate that food. I said there was no going back. I would eat those lachha parathas and
Oh,
all that paneer
yeah, the
makhani.
stuffed kulchas.
I have come back looking like a different person because before that, I believe that I could never put on weight. I generally have always
You
been a
did?
skinny, yeah, and a skinny teenager. So I generally, like my assistant would tell me that you're eating too much, and it's starting. I said he's bullshitting because it's not possible.
Yeah,
Came,
because you don't look like somebody who could put on weight. You don't seem like
I,
somebody who has potential to put
I'm
on weight.
so when I went for the schedule, they said, "Where did you leave the other half of you?" Because then by then I'd lost all my weight again.
What?
But
Oh,
I had put on 8 kgs in
eight.
25 days. Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
Amritsar does that.
It
Punjab
was
does.
it was
But
all work.
luckily, the lockdown is going on, so all the dhabas are shut and all the restaurants are shut. So there's nothing I can do anyway.
Or you can cook.
So yeah, let's not talk about that. मैं अपने सारे
I'm
फुल नहीं खोलना चाहती यहाँ पे how not domesticated I
when you so learn it all, and when you come back to Bombay, you have to call us over and
am.
teach us all that.
Done. Absolutely done. But you look like absolutely fine and fit and gorgeous, and I don't think you put
I'm
weight.
not. I'm eating a
Lockdown
lot.
is. I've realized, Sonal, I've realized one thing. Either people are going to get really skinny and healthy and fit by the end of this, or they're going to be super fat. I don't know. One of the two is going to happen for people.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, anyway, coming to the fun part of my show.
I'm very scared of your truth.
No, so guys, basically the whole point of the show is to not talk about coronavirus and not talk about things because I've had an overdosage of it and I'm being cautious. I'm taking my precautions, but that's it. I don't want to like harp
Yeah,
about it. You know?
positive
So,
and
so coming to my game, first I want to play Pictionary with you. Okay, what I'm going to ask the audience to give us something which I'm going to draw for you. Hi, Tamira. Okay. By the way, a lot of people are asking for health tips from you, so we're going to come to that. Okay.
okay.
Later on, but we're going to take some beauty tips and hits. So, guys, if you want to hear any beauty tips and health tips from Sonal Chauhan, please hang around here. And I also have some gifts for you guys in the end. So, lots of temptation happening there. Because Sukmini के साथ bed में तो आप कभी घुसने नहीं वाले हो real life में, तो आप gifts ही ले लो और Sonal Chauhan की health ले लो.
Money.
All right. So, okay, I am waiting for someone to give me something. You have to shut your eyes because you can't see.
I do eat a lot of chocolate. I
You eat
do eat a lot.
I don't
Yeah.
believe you. Samira saying, but you do eat a lot of chocolate.
Okay. Show you
Okay.
what's on my. Can I show you what's on my bedside?
Yes,
And maybe
please.
one second. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I hope I don't. Hold on. Look.
Yeah, what have done to my hair? I'm just so ashamed
I
of
have.
my art. Sorry,
I,
show me.
I finished eating a lot of my chocolates,
I
and
love those.
this is what I eat. And
We are having a
I
true
mean, you know
pajama
what?
party.
Actually, all over, all my Kit Kats, dairy milks are over. But I thought it's all not there. I eat a lot. Yeah, Tamira. Anyway, let's get back.
Sonal, in that case, you are very lucky because if you eat that and you look like this, मैं बेचारी यहाँ बैठ के मखाना खा रही हूँ मखाना, and
No, no.
I'm having badam, and I still put on weight. So you are like,
You don't. No, I've never seen you ever.
discuss. You know, if we talk about our weight right now, this will truly become a girls' show, and the boys are going to run away. So we won't do that because it's so typical of us to say, "नहीं यार, तू मोटी नहीं है, मैं मोटी हूँ." अच्छा ये. All right. So now I need you to shut your eyes, and
Okay, but before I shut my eyes, I want to tell everyone that guys have never played Pictionary. So if I don't do well, then sorry.
Everybody. So she doesn't know how to play. You can show me your face. Show me a pretty face. 1 second, Sonal. So basically, what you have to do is, I'm going to take in this thing from the people, a word, and I'm going to draw it, and you have to basically guess what it is.
Oh, but you'll draw it. Show it to me.
Yeah. After you open your eyes, and I'll draw and I'll show it to you. You have to guess what it is, basically.
Then I can guess if it is.
But right now, I'm going to take it from them. Chal, you know what? I'll draw it on my own. I think I have better ideas.
Okay.
I'm drawing for you.
My voice is clear, right?
Yeah, but little bit, it's a little toot it's coming, thoda sa.
Okay. Is it better now?
That's better. And I feel like it breaks and it comes. Say something now.
Is it better now? Can you hear me?
Better.
Hello, check.
Yeah. Check. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
Okay.
Guys,
Ritik.
Everyone hear Sonal properly? Okay. I guess they are. Yeah, they can. Not very clear. अच्छा, hello please. सुरेंद्र जी, आपके लिए हम सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करेंगे अब. सोनल बहुत इंग्लिश हो. अच्छा, so the game is that I'm going to draw something which I'm using a lot right now during the lockdown.
Okay.
So it's all related to the lockdown.
Okay.
I've written it down. Fate.
Happens when the phone is rested down. Yeah, my phone is rested down. But what do I do then? Can't hold it. Everyone's saying that my voice.
Yeah. Are you on Wi-Fi, by the way?
I am, yeah.
Your Wi-Fi off and use your 4G. I feel like it works better. Try it.
Okay.
काय मत हो जाना भाई, मुझे बहुत जूते पड़ेंगे. Okay, how do I draw this? I think I've drawn something very cool. If you guys have any idea what I can draw for Sonal that I use basically, तो हम ऐसा कुछ अभी तो I can't see you at all. Sutti is giving a विशेष टिप्पणी पीछे. Okay. I feel very bad when I make people switch off their Wi-Fi and put on their 4G, 3G because like Fire Stick से क्या होने वाला है यार? अच्छा.
Better. You Sonal.
Yeah.
You Sonal, you froze. Is this okay?
Yeah, better. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, your voice is coming and going. Now it's fine.
Is it okay?
No,
is
it's
it
breaking.
Now something longer? Can you guys hear me? Should I just put my phone ulta? No.
उल्टा नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा उससे. अभी it's fine. See, now it's okay.
Okay, fine.
Now it's fine. Perfect. Okay, I've drawn something for you. Where you have to guess what is this thing that I'm using a lot these days during the lockdown.
Is that? Oh, that's moisturizer.
Yay!
Are really bad. It looks like a hospital with a flag on it.
I
Just
purposely made a cross. My cross was a medical cross, so you guess. Otherwise, अच्छा सुनो, मैंने एक चीज के बारे में warn नहीं किया कि अगर तुम guess नहीं करोगे, तो then I'm going to give you a dare, okay? So be ready for that.
Oh.
Because you got this one, I'm giving you one more now.
Okay.
Okay, and put on. Everyone is saying we need to. So Stuti, well done. Just they're saying there's no light on your face. Yeah, you're very pretty. You can't hide your face, yeah.
Okay, I thought we were in bed and we're supposed to be dim and all. Hold on. Lights, please.
But, come on. I can't be brighter than you. I'm the small star. You're the big star. Chal, light.
We're both the stars. You're the star of the show.
Okay, no, put on the light. I want to see your face. I'm drawing my second thing till then, okay?
Right.
This is very, very, very cool. Okay, guys. What is this?
You know what? I think now I. Okay, that was a good one. That was nice. That was.
My standard of drawing is this only, okay? Hold on. I need you to not guess. I can give you a dare. That's the whole point. Oh. Okay, chal. Something I'm using a lot these days, okay? This is also very easy, yaar. Okay.
Better. Soap.
Soap? Just because we use a soap, you're saying soap. No, this.
That's like a table. Oh, yoga.
What?
That's a table.
I'll give you a hint.
It's a table.
No, it's a bed.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. I have a dare for you now. Because you do so much yoga these days. Can everyone see you do a headstand and teach us how you're going to do it?
What? How can I do a headstand right now on my bed?
No?
How will I do a headstand? No.
Put your phone somewhere else and you can do it, no?
Listen, if you see what I'm wearing.
Good at it.
If you see what I'm no, I can't like. How I taught you. Just tell me. How I taught you. Okay, yeah. I'll do a headstand. Hold on.
If you're wearing some clothes, yeah, I'm also wearing shorts. Yeah, usme kya hai, chal.
I'll do a headstand. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
I want to see it. All right, we're gonna see Sonal Chauhan do a headstand.
Oh. There, I've done a headstand.
Who is saying my drawing is bad? Badtameez log, my drawing is very good. Excuse
That's
me.
That's Stuti.
I've
done a headstand, guys.
Hold on, we can't see. Oh!
Can you see me, Ulta?
Too smart. Not bad. Yeah.
There it is.
Ullu banaya. Word number one, Ullu paid out of me, but because he was smart on that, I'll let you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, hold on. I am making my next one for you. Only one more, and then. Okay, this is very cool. This is something. I hope you get this though.
Ritik is saying, Stuti, I'm gonna make your push-up viral. Varun Bajaj is here.
Hey Bajaj, what's up? Okay, hold on. What is this? I'm doing this a lot these days. Yo, baby, well done. You're killing it.
And guys, this is not a scripted show. She hasn't told me any. I promise. Yeah.
It's the point is to be in bed and just be chill on a Friday. If I tell you all this, then there's no point. Yeah. Okay, so last one. I'm going to draw my last one for you, and then I'm going to play Damsharas with you. Or Damsharades, whichever, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Okay, this is very easy. I'm doing this a lot these days. Hold on. ये मैं कैसे draw करूँ? Okay, I'm doing this a lot these days. Okay, where is it? Anyone who guesses this, it's very easy.
You're doing this a lot.
It's the easy. I'm doing Sonal, I'm doing this a lot these days.
Napping.
It's a logo of who's helping you? Sister's helping you, in the back.
Hey, no, nobody's helping me.
Yeah, I can hear her. I will punish you for this. I have lots of punishments.
Okay. Only with this one, she shouted from the outside snooze. But I mean, I got it.
What's your answer? What's your answer?
But, hold on. How? I also said nap. I also said napping.
It's not napping. It's a logo. It's a logo of something.
But it's ulta and you've written ulta and. Oh, is it because it's coming? Is it coming flip to me? That's why. Okay. Netflix.
Yay!
Netflix, not chilling.
Netflix, not chilling. That's well done. Very well. You're too good, Sonal. I have to like make you lose, yeah.
Yeah, well, sorry.
Okay. I'll come to my next game, which was... That's the backside of an elephant. Is it? It is.
It is. Okay, hold on. I have one.
Yeah, we know because of the camera it's ulta. Sonal, हमारे जो over smart friend है हम सबको बता. Netflix and chill. Shubham, well done. So, get it closer. What the hell is that? Is it a headphone?
How is it a head?
Because it's somebody's face, like with the side profile, like a nose and something on the ear.
Oh. Hold on, I'll make it again.
Yeah, it was right. Netflix Mars, that was correct. Again, your sister screaming for me. Please tell me. Is that corona? Is that a virus?
Okay, it's something that you eat for breakfast. Now, come on.
Oh, omelette. Fried egg.
God.
We are not
dares.
Good. So, like, we're not reaching any dares, basically.
I want to give you a dare.
Okay, no. That's fine. All right. I'm moving to my next game where I'm going to add something for you, which is again related to lockdown.
Varun Bajaj, right. Somebody says, Stuti, are you single? Is Stuti single? Do we know? Stuti
like,
is
not a match fixing show, guys. Really. Let's get it right.
Okay.
If she's single, she's not going to join you in bed anyway. Whoever boy is asking here, okay? This is not a cheap show. Huh?
But, oh, anyway. Guys, let's not read the comments.
Yeah. All our friends are only going crazy. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna add something for you, which is something that I do during the lockdown. Okay? And you have to guess. Again, it's lockdown oriented.
Something that you do during
a lot. I'm doing it a lot during the lockdown, okay? This is very easy. You already yeah, okay.
Sleeping. Huh? Eating. Yoga. Irritated.
Too easy. Too easy. Yeah, these are very easy, yaar. These are all very easy. You'll guess them all. I'm just going to give you dares because you'll keep guessing. You're the smarter one.
You're just a good actor.
So, you want to act for me while we're at it?
Act for you.
Like one, like something, like an emotional scene for all your fans here. Or a comedy scene, whatever you like.
Sonal, no, I'm not acting right now. Too many of our friends are here.
Why? It's fine. How does it matter?
No, I can't think of a scene right now. I can sing.
You can sing. Just sing for us. That's not even a dare. That's what something.
That was supposed to be my dare for you. Sing one song which you think nobody must have heard on this live.
Can we focus on you? I'm a really bad singer.
Yeah, that's why it's a dare.
On this show that nobody's ever heard.
Yeah, like a song which is a very rare kind of a song.
Oh God. Do you guys, can you suggest something to me? Because I really can't think of a rare
What
song. I'm
song?
assuming it will be a Punjabi song. That'd be a
Yeah, nice folk Punjabi or something like which people haven't heard.
shit यार कोई भी नहीं याद आ रहा यार. Can you guys tell me some Punjabi folk song? जरा से दिल में जरा से दिल.
Okay, why don't you sing a nice popular?
Nice popular Punjabi song.
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay.
Tuti.
Shit, कोई भी नहीं आ रहा यार. नहीं तो मेरे पास इतने गाने होते. चलिए, why don't you give me a song? It's better if we do that. Vakra swag. Everybody knows I love Vakra swag.
That then.
But I can't sing that. I can dance on that. No, please come on, yeah. You sing me a song. Hold on.
Huh? What?
You have to sing a song. Come on.
I can sing. I love singing. Okay.
Well, come on.
He just said sing haste haste, so I'll sing that. Haste haste कर जाए रास्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे.
It's very unfair when pretty girls who are good actresses and they can sing also. Well, that's so unfair. Yeah. This world is so unfair.
Come on. It's nice.
Okay. Beautiful. You have an amazing voice.
Thank you.
I know that you're a singer, but like, you know, most of your fans don't land up hearing you sing so much. You should sing a lot more for them.
Yeah, I
अच्छा,
think.
एक तमिल में भी एक लाइन सुना दे अब. चल. For all your fans.
Tamil में नहीं Tamil I don't put me in the spot. I don't know. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam. So cute. That is amazing. Okay, so I've already done that with you, but what I've not done with you is not given you any dares, and the show also has to come to an end in 5 minutes, unfortunately. Though I want to keep talking to you, and I have lots of other games for you. Yes. But I promise everybody that we will not talk about work and we will not talk about COVID and everything. So we want to keep the spirits high. The point is to Telugu. People are saying Telugu में बात करो.
Telugu में बात I'm not that good with Telugu, so it's ठीक है. अभी हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं.
हिंदी में बात करते हैं. ठीक है, cool. So you've done the heads up. You've sang me a song. Do you have any headgears with you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, skip. Okay, but okay, fine. Let's skip that. Yeah, you can put that on. And guys, coming to my question for the audience that I had with them. So don't give me 1 minute. Is that I want you to wear a pair of socks, and I'm going to wear a pair of socks. And the person who guesses what color socks we're wearing, that person's going to win a night suit.
Does my can my sister also participate?
Yeah, your sister can also come.
Okay. No.
आप में से कौन गेस कर सकता है कि सोनल कौन से कलर की सॉक्स पहनेगी और मैं कौन से कलर की सॉक्स पहनूंगी? And 2 people are going to win a prize from Sweet Dreams night suit. Huh?
Can I give like a sort of a, or no? It'll be too much of a giveaway. No, I don't think anyone will be able to guess the color that I'm wearing.
Why? But are you wearing it? Okay, let's ask them now. Tamira pink.
Tamira.
Maxi gray. Sonal is wearing gray. I'm wearing a pair of socks. I want to know what color I'm wearing. Anyone who guesses will get a very cute voucher from Sweet Dreams. English. Okay. तो बोलते speak English बोलते हिंदी कोई अच्छा. Pink. Rahul is saying pink. First person to guess किस कलर की socks मैंने पहनी है और किस कलर की socks सोनल ने पहनी है is going to win a prize.
Superboy. Suk is
wearing
pink.
That's wrong.
Varun says,
guys, come on, guess what color socks I'm wearing.
Same.
Okay, who said sing Hutkarsh? Green is the right answer for me. Hold on, Himani is saying so. Okay, the girl whoever wrote the answer was green, mine was green. So please send me your address and you'll get gift vouchers from me. Now let's see who's saying what. Sona's wearing brown.
Somebody says red.
Sonal, when you know that the answer is right, you better acknowledge them, okay? Because I don't know
I
what song.
I will.
Pink.
I love all these hearts that are coming on the side, guys. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much for the love, guys. You all are very sweet.
Multicolored hearts that I'm seeing here are so beautiful.
So pretty. Yeah,
hmm.
even loving these hearts.
Yeah, I love multicolored hearts. Hey,
That
it's
looks like blue. Stuti, really? This looks like blue to you? Guys, come on. I
you
know
know what?
actually
Like to me also.
it's a green. It's a green. Has your color come till now? Somebody
No,
saying gray.
someone
No?
says
You want to keep this live go on till 12 o'clock at night. Now they'll bichare keep guessing all night.
I'm really enjoying it. Sona's wearing pearl. Not it's not pearl purple. No.
Uh,
Guys,
no?
thank you for all these beautiful hearts, so many colors. I love them.
Is it
Florist,
one colors from these hearts?
that's your socks has white too.
Orange? Is it orange?
No, it's not orange. Somebody said golden. No, it's not golden. Tamira says golden. No, Tam, not. Black and white. No, Tam. Neon. No, guys.
Sonal, I think you should give them a hint. I think this is
I've given a hint. I have.
to
Trust me.
who? To who?
Just-
Acha, oh, I think I know what the hint was. You're loving all the hearts, all the colors.
Okay,
Uh,
fun anything. Now, do you want somebody to win or should I show?
no, you have to pick our winner. They're gonna get a voucher from Sweet Dreams. You have to because I want them to wear these cute nights. Come on, black
Okay.
only.
No. Red, no. No. Why don't you try singing a song for us meanwhile?
Okay. Tenukala chashma chashta e because I'm trying to bring some colors. Chachda thode mukhde te tenukala
Singer says something because she's my
maroon. Rainbow. Somebody sings rainbow. Very smart.
Tuti Chauhan said multicolor socks, but so two people have said that. So now, like, what? That's true. It is. It's not rainbow. It's multicolor.
You have chosen two winners. All right, then two winners it shall be. Show me your socks first.
All right. Hold on.
Oh my god, you did wear a multi. That is so cute, and you've got those toe things happening there. That was cute. So you've got two people who said multicolored and one. So we've got three winners now, and we will send them their vouchers very soon. Just I'll send you the vouchers on email, and you guys can win that. All right, this brings me unfortunately to the end of the show.
Yes.
And one last question, Sonal, I want to ask you is that what is this since the show is called Sukhmani in Bed, what is the thing that you enjoy the most in bed?
Honestly, I think I've enjoyed everything, but I've especially all these messages. Prateek, thank you. All these messages that cute messages, lovely messages that everyone has been sending for us. So I think that's really nice. It's always very nice when you know immediately, what people.
Yeah, thank you so much. But apart from this show, tell me what else do you enjoy in bed generally in life, like watching
I love
shows,
Netflix.
Netflix.
I love watching shows.
That's amazing. That's what we are going to do now because I have to wrap up this show. But Sonal, thanks a ton for joining. Hold on. I have to take a selfie of us first.
Yes.
I hope I don't screw it up. Ugh, I'm so bad at this. Okay. But thanks for joining. This was lots of fun. And I had so many more days.
Thank you. I think even when the lockdown is over, we should do it every once in a while. It's fun.
Right. That's the point. But
Yeah.
thanks everybody for joining me in bed. Like I said, my dad hates it when I say that, but today a lot of people have joined us in bed. And we love you, and we will see you again next week. Sonal, thank you once again. And now you can actually go to bed. Bye.
Bye.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I am loving hosting Sukhmani in Bed for you guys. I hope you guys are loving it too. The winners who won, please send me your address on Instagram DM, and I will make sure that you get the coupons. I will mail it to you. It's by Sweet Dreams. You'll get very cute night suits, and you'll look super cute. Well, that's me, Sukhmani, in bed, signing off for now. I should actually get into bed now. Where's my blanket? And pass out. Well, good night and sweet dreams.